Hi, today I am going to give you some ideas how to be fluent in English. Sometimes we complain that whenever we try to speak, no word or no idea comes in our mind. So, how we can solve this problem? So, one of the best ideas is to read any article and try to recreate that article by your own. Just now, I am going to read an article from today's newspaper. What is your goal? It is time to stop and think, where am I turning to? What am I turning for? If it is old that I am losing today, there has to be a solid reason to optimize the self, believes Ria. He adds, improvement is a great thing, but the real problem lies when the same is done for the wrong reasons. For example, if you were trying to improve or learn something to be better than everyone else, it is the rat race that has no end. And since you will never be able to achieve it, you are designing for failure and up and unhappiness. But if you are doing the same to be a better version of yourself and to explore your true potential, then that is amazing. So, this one I read, and so what are the utilities? Why should I do this? Because when you read that article you find new words what you don't use very often, like potential, amazing. Okay, and you got also some ideas how to create sentences or how to make a topic enjoyable. So you get the words you can use, you get some ideas. Sometimes I found that people can speak very fluent English, but it is not enough. If you cannot speak it with such details which attracts others, which people think that worthy to listen, then it is not very much useful for you. So you need some points. You need to know how to construct the sentences. Okay, so and of course, when you are creating these things, you can also look at the structures of grammatical structures. What structures basically used in this type of article? Here you will find that most of the sentences are in simple present form, and when the question was asked that time, the helping verb was used before the subject. Okay, like what am I turning for? So here basically M is placed before the subject I. Okay, and if it is old, what I am losing today. So it's a complex sentence. Two sentences are just linked with the what word. Okay, so in this way you can also follow, or you can also understand how the grammar is being used. So just you get new points. So here if I try to recreate the sentence, recreate the topic, then I must say that we always try to make ourselves better version. The competition is not with others, competition is with yourself. Whenever you are trying to improve yourself, just think what you knew yesterday and what you know today, what you knew 1 hour or 10 minutes ago, before starting listening this audio or video, and what you know now. Okay, so if you always try to improve yourself and just explore, yes, explore the word which was utilized in the topic. If you try to explore your potential, your inner qualities to make yourself the better person, you will enjoy your struggle as well. So I think in this way you can practice. Just read an article or listen a topic, note the words, notice the structures of the sentences, and recreate. You can practice with yourself when you are practicing for the first time. Okay, if you don't find some comfortable companion. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. It is my younger son, and could uh, you could watch my elder son also, who was jumping beyond the background. So thanks for listening, and if you like, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so that I can make more and more videos for you. And I have to manage my sons, so sorry for the inconvenience. I think you enjoyed their company also. Thank you.